Hi guys, this is a meditation to get good sleep. Often when we are struggling to fall asleep at night, it is because the mind is continuously restless. It keeps on thinking about the events from that day or next day or anything. So the practice that we will do in this video will help you to relax the mind and make it comfortable in the present moment. We'll start with the Pran Mudra. So you will bring the last two fingers in contact with the thumb like this. Pran Mudra is a very positive and powerful mudra that helps you stabilize the mood and balance the energy in the body. Lie down in any position that you're comfortable in. Hold the mudra. You can place your palms by your side or you can keep them on your stomach. Anything you're comfortable with. And start breathing. Breathe into your abdomen. Feel your navel lifting up with inhalation and sinking down with exhalation. Feeling the navel lifting as you inhale and sinking as you exhale. Continuously breathe into your abdomen. Let the breath be soft and slow. Now acknowledge the space around you. Acknowledge your bed. Acknowledge the clothes you're wearing. Acknowledge the blanket. Acknowledge the air in the room. Now start feeling the comfort of this space. Bring your attention to the comfort of your bed. Bring your attention to how the clothes feel against your skin. Acknowledge the softness of your blanket. Acknowledge the peace in the room. Bring your attention to the cool air. Continue to breathe into your abdomen. Inhale to lift your stomach. Exhale to sink it down. As you acknowledge the comfort of the space around you, let yourself become more comfortable. Allow yourself to completely relax in the comfort around you. Bring your attention to your body. Acknowledge your head. Acknowledge your neck. Acknowledge the shoulders. Feel your arm. Feel your chest. Feel your stomach lifting up and going down. Bring your attention to the waist. Acknowledge your thighs. Feel your shin. Feel the softness of the feet. You are here with your body. Your body is in this comfortable space. Your body is continuously breathing from this space. Allow your body to let go. Allow your body to release and relax. And become aware of the breath entering your body. Become aware of the breath entering the body. As you inhale, you feel the calmness. As you exhale, let go. Inhale to feel the peace, the calmness. Exhale, let go. Inhale to let your abdomen lift up. Exhale to let the abdomen sink back. Let go. Breathe. Relax. Whenever you are ready, let go of the mudra. Relax your palms. And keep breathing fully, deeply, smoothly, gently.